Hey everyone, in this video I will teach you how to do the one arm elbow lever step by step. First things first, warm up your wrists. This is super important to avoid injury and build mobility for the position. Before starting, make sure you can do at least 10 clean push-ups. This shows you have enough strength to support your body weight. Next step, place your elbow in the right spot, around your hip bone or slightly above. Lean your body forward and place the other hand on the floor to support and balance yourself. And don't forget, rotate your support hand about 45 degrees outward. This gives you better wrist alignment and control. And once you feel stable, start removing your second hand slowly. Use your fingers to balance as you shift the weight entirely to your supporting arm. When you are confident in your strength and balance, lift your hand completely and there you go. You are holding the one arm elbow. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.